Did grab one. They got these? Are you serious? That includes these pullovers right here. Are these the recycled tech fleece? I can't believe they have these for so freaking cheap. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen it, especially with that discount. 7 minutes before, already got a few fools in line right there. All right, let's see what happens here. We got a line before we get in. Bacon's down to $100, and then you get another 30 off. So someone grabbed these. I'm like, hey, take the 11s instead, please. Yeah, he did give me the 10.5, so I might have to grab these. Right? These are down to $55.97. You do get that 30% off. Got a couple of them. Oh, that's mismarked, it looks like. Air more tempos, 125. These are down to 100 now. So 70 after a discount. Yeah, it looks like that other one was mismarked again. Okay. That Jordan ones right here, 125. Air Max ones, 160. Like within 2 minutes, all those bacons were gone. Did grab one. People leave them in piles and stuff like that, just out and about. Checking the women's section, not seeing any refurbs. They do have those. Vaporfly Next Percent 3s, it is $285. At least you get the 30 off. These have been marked down to $80 plus the discount. Got a couple sizes. These are down to $75. Got these as high as size 8.5 and a 9, I think. In the women's, these are down to $120. Size 13. Men's right here, $80. Back in the men's sizes, these are going for $95. Not really seeing much else. Got here right when they opened. It is all resellers right now. The homie right there. I also got them with the cart. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna grab this and get the hell out of here. Checking out the apparel. They do have a Pistons jersey here. Look at this. It is a refurb, $60. It is a small, $60, another 30% off. That's kind of crazy. Slightly imperfect shorts right here, going for $33. Another one for $30. All right, no other good refurbs. We out. Did grab these. I also got a pair of these. Whoa. They said they only had a size 8.5. Did grab these for $70. We'll talk about that later. All right, we're moving on to the next spot. Foot Locker outlet right across the street. Then if you're new to the channel, of course, you get an extra 50% off pretty much everything here. If you guys need the address, check the description. I missed one weekend here, and those 2s, they had Jordan 2s, like the yellowish ones, yellowish orangish ones, those went on sale. Those finally went for 50% off, so fools grabbed those quick. Holy crap, I missed one weekend, man, damn. But look, now they got these? Are you serious? $35? 35 effing dollars for these? Are you serious? Holy crap, this is a size 10 on display. Those of you guys that are new to the channel, these are freaking Kobe PEs, or these came out as Kobe PEs way back when. They were impossible to get, and now they're available to the general public. Kobe wore these when he was in sneaker free agency before he went with Nike. Man, I cannot believe that. That is crazy. 35? Oh wait, these are the ones. These are the ones. Holy crap. No, they're not 50% off yet still? Still? Really? Victories, Shaq Victories, still going for $30. NMD's going for $30. Samoa's right here, $30 effing dollars. $25 for Trey Young's. Holy crap. Oh, I paid $20 for mine. Samoa's, these weren't even on sale anywhere forever, and then all of a sudden, $30. Got the Romas right here. I grew up wearing a ton of Romas. Sounded like I said Tony Romas. You got Superstars right here going for 25 freaking bucks. Another Superstar right here for 25. More Romas right here. Reebok Classic. What are these? Got Reebok Club C. Or the Club C85s going for 25 bucks. Super clean pair. Materials seem really nice on these. And they have a section here where you get 50% off. And then 50 on top of that, an additional 50% off. So you get 75 off total. That includes these pullovers right here. Are these the recycled tech fleece? The recycled material tech fleece? Or is this just regular recycled material stuff? But yeah, these are normally $120. They're down to, what, $30 freaking dollars? $30. They have only mediums and small though. And they got pro standard merch right here, Laker stuff. They got Warrior stuff right here. These are going for 25 freaking dollars. They got sizes. I see XL, I see mediums. These I got double XL and XL. But they also have a few of these right here. This is pretty dope. This is a small, it is a pro standard Sharks hoodie right here, 110 down to what, 22.50 or something like that. And then still got one of these Steelers. This is a small right here. This was going for what, 225 or something. And then got one of these Lakers hoodies left over. And these are what, 100 bucks. This is a size small. Doesn't look that small though. Got a bunch of locker merch right here. I'm telling you, the material on the locker stuff, really, really nice. This, as well as the Champ Sports Gear, the CSG stuff, $25. So 75% off of that. What is that, like $650, $675, something like that? I'm telling you, the material is pretty freaking nice on this stuff. Some of the colors are just, I don't know, but really, really steep discount, 65 for that, plus the additional 75 off. And then what's all this stuff? Is this all the homegrown stuff? We have $55. Material seems nice on these. Very Michelin-esque. Very Michelin-esque right there. Hustlers only. Yeah, this ain't bad. And got more Nike stuff right here. All going for 75% off. Got sweats. Got hoodies. The price, it doesn't even matter because it's 75 off, so it's going to be cheap. Sizing definitely an issue though. And they still have a couple of these Ja Morant. This is the Ja Morant ones, right? I'm 90% sure they are. But yeah, they're 75% off, man. And I've mentioned plenty of times, yeah, their stuff is just random. Like some of the stuff, you get an extra 50 off, some you don't. Apparently the stuff right here, you do get an extra 50 off, so 75% off. And they still have a few of the Ja Morant jerseys. They had a Luka jersey here a while back, and surprised some of y'all didn't scoop that up. But do got Morant jerseys, XL, mediums. These are going for 30 effing dollars, you guys. 30 freaking bucks. All right, we need to go back to the men's sneakers. They got Cosmic Unities. Cosmic Unity 3s going for 40 freaking dollars. Cheaper than the Nike outlets right now. Zoom Freaks, we've been seeing those hella cheap. I don't know, about $40 though. But yeah, do got these right here, the Tentacumpos, the, what are these? Oh, the Immortalities, my bad. The Immortalities, the budget. Zoom Freaks right there. And the Zoom Freak 5s go for the same price right here. What the hell? Got multiple colorways of the Immortalities. Still got these going for $30. Y'all haven't scooped these up for outdoor hoops? The Mellow ones right here, the MB 01s or 0.1s, MB 0.1, I don't know. But yeah, 30 freaking dollars. Got Reebok Pump Iversons right there, and then also got trainers for 40 freaking bucks. Wait, got another pair of the MBs right there. Those are the MB3s. Is it MB 0.3s? I think it's the MB 0.3s. Got Zions going for 40 bucks. More of the Cosmic Unities. Also got another more. Is that English? Also have another one of these bad boys, 50 bucks if you need to be extra blingy when you play some hoops. And then also got this wild colorway right here. This one just makes it feel like you're on something when you're looking at it. Still got the 11 low IEs for 55 bucks. People are saying these ain't worth $55. Holy cow. Holy cow. If I didn't grab these, I think I would have grabbed those for 55 bucks. Holy crap. especially with the survey coupon. But I filled out 2 surveys the past month and I haven't gotten any survey coupons. Have you guys been having that issue? Kind of mad about that because, oh wait, we can't use survey coupons here. Never mind. Damn. I'm trying on the tech fleece. I know it came out of nowhere, but I'm trying it on because damn. $30 tech fleece? Really? This is a recycled tech fleece. I know it's not as popular, but tech fleece is tech fleece, doggy, man. No hoodie too. Kind of weird not having a hoodie, but damn, $30. I'm gonna have to get it for myself or my kid, whoever wants it. Or if my kid wants it, I'll give it to him. And if not, I'll take it myself. Damn, $30? I've been talking to people. I don't even remember where I took off, to be really honest, but do got, what are these? The 4Ds right here, down to $75. $65 for Ultra Boost right here. You get full box everything. I love getting full boxes because I like to stack my boxes on my cases or on my shelves. But I don't even have room on my shelves, man. That's why y'all ain't see me buy everything up. Had to get the bacon, so. LeBron, $65 for those. 312s going for $60. $65 for the Iversons right here. Another one of the 312s. Got Jordan 37 lows going for $60. And the 1 highs right here. Then I do want to put a disclaimer out there. There are certain items here that do not ring up as 50% off. It's super, super rare. Been certain items. It's not many. Back in the day, it used to be Jordans and Dunks that were not 50% off, but that is not the case. It's just random items for whatever reason that don't ring up for 50% off. The people here do not do the pricing. They got $25 Vans right here. Got a few different skate highs and lows. Witnesses going for $30. Resto Mods right here going for $30. That's the find of the day right there, in my opinion. Actually, the Tech Fleece 2, I am gonna grab that, dude. It's too cheap. I think the last time I came here, I didn't realize I fit a small, so that's why I didn't get that Tech Fleece last time. But yeah, they have a few kids items. They do have a kids Foot Locker attached to them, but this is not the outlet portion. That's just the regular kids Foot Locker. These kids items right here, it is a part of the Foot Locker outlet and it is 50% off. So it does include these dunks right here, $30 dunks. Are you effing serious? $30 dunks, $25 Trae Young 3s right here. $50 for the NMDs. Another $25 piece right here. And then got some Hey Dude shoes. Some Hey Dude shoes going for $15, pretty much free. And then also got these 6 rings right here going for $45. Not too many kids items, but that's crazy right there. And they even have a few, what are these, toddler shoes? They got a few of these right here. And then do have a separate women's section here in the back where you can get NMDs for $25. Are you effing serious? So those the workouts right here from the 80s. A Cardi B's right here going for $20. Got a myriad of Converse going for fairly cheap. But there's the Gamma Forces right here, not too bad for $30, super clean. RSX right here, some classic leather Reeboks, $30. Some Dunks, Air Max 1s, 97s right here. To my knowledge, all these are 50% off. They don't get cheaper than that, dude. Don't get cheaper. But remember, there are exceptions and they're just random, so you have to ask them for the price. But to my knowledge, all this stuff 50 off. And still in the women's, got a bunch of Vapor Maxes and Air Max Pluses right there. Well, not a bunch, got a couple. Oh yeah, see? More Air Max Plus right here, going for 50 off. I don't know about the Dunks. Like, for whatever reason, Foot Locker is just kind of weird about Dunks. Like, obviously they should be 50, but I don't know if they are. You know, maybe the sale ones, I don't know. But definitely ask. I got Sabrina's right here. I'm pretty sure these are 50 off. Got the Cosmic Unities in the women's. Dope women's section right here. They even have some apparel. Some of it's like just regular price, but you do get that extra 50 off. Is that a black cement vest right there? Or no, a sweatshirt, my bad. Jordan apparel, all this 50 50% off. Definitely a dope sale. Like, I freaking love this store, man. Do got some subscribers here. I forgot to get your names. My bad, you guys. They came here from Ventura. Dang, dude, that's what's up. That's what's up. But they're buying stuff, saving all kinds of dough. Especially if you have a gas saver. Definitely worth the trip, dude. Seriously, $10 for LA Kings hats right here. Doyer hats going for $10. Color is kind of interesting. Got Oakland hats right here going for $10. San Francisco got these fools right here. The Hawks. The Hawks, $15. These. Oh, this is like suede right here too. I don't know if it's suede, but it's nice material though. 15 bucks for that. All kinds of other random hats right here. They also have a bunch of fitted hats up top, and these are no like what, $40? Oh yeah, $44. Those are all 50% off, and they have multiple sizes, and those are going for what, $20, $22, something like that. Crocs also definitely a great spot to get Crocs. $35 for these bad boys. You have a girl, I guess, grab her one of those. But yeah, and I say that because like if I got my boy one of those, he'd be like, what the hell? And I think that's most boys, right? I got a LL one right here. I don't know the exact price, but it's 50% off retail. And you can grab these. And this one, I believe you could take this thing off. You can take this thing off right here, $40 to 20 bucks. You got this tan one right here down to $15, 30 down to 15. Want one of these? They got these, but huge fan of Crocs going for 50% off. I hate paying regular price for that. And I don't have any Crocs, but I've gotten plenty for my kiddo. Oh, and then do got these over here. Got All City stuff right here. And this is by Just Don. $35, 50% off. And I've talked about Just Don merch a lot. Really high quality stuff. So 50 to 70% off. You can find them for 50 or 70. Definitely worth it. $25 for these shorts. Even has metal aglets right there. We got some basketball shorts. T-shirt right here. It's really good stuff. $75, 50 off. They got a hoodie. I wish I had a hoodie, like an All City hoodie. I don't know where the hell it went. But yeah, that's $30 for that. They have a bunch of stuff in the middle right here, but I think it's all stuff that we've seen. I don't think I showed you guys that, but it's all stuff that they do have in the aisles or on the walls over there. Freaking $20 for those Pumas. They only have smaller sizes left. But yeah, I've showed you guys these last time, so I kind of skipped over them. But all kinds of steals and deals. $20 for Converse. Like, I feel like $40, $50, $70 for Converse is just crazy, but $20, I'm good with that. And I don't think I showed these. I like these. The faux leather ones right here. Got these tan ones right here. Go for $20. Definitely worth it. But yeah, this store, definitely one of my favorite stores in LA right now. Foot Locker outlet right here. And Nike East LA's right across the street too. All right, let's pay for this $30 tech fleece right here. This is the recycled tech fleece, but $30 tech fleece? Seriously? I didn't want another bag, you guys, but yeah, $30 came out to what, 32 something, or maybe it was 33. I don't know. I didn't even look at the receipt, to be honest. But yeah, $30 for tech fleece, recycled tech fleece, but it is what it is, man. Let's go. We out. Here's a little sneak preview of the next video. Let's go. I can't stand this freaking outlet right here. Size 10 for these bad boys right here as well. Is this actually cheaper than the Foot Locker outlet? Holy crap. I got it for $18 instead of like 25 or something, so that's